How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add transitions in our Reels. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first is open up your Instagram. After opening up your Instagram, you need to log in into your account and get to the home page. After that, swipe left and you will get to a section where you can create reel. So here, just tap on reel, swipe to reel. At the right side, you can see at the very bottom, you can see this reel option at the side of story. Just tap there. After that, create a clip with different parts in order to create transitions. So create multiple clips. Just long press on this button. You may add filters if you want, and click about 4 to 5 or however clips that you want to add to the video. After that, just tap on next, and here you will be able to see this edit video option. Just tap on edit video, and here you can see I've created 2 clips right now. So what I'm going to do is just tap on this. You can see this at the middle of the white box. Just tap on it, and here you get bunch of options of transitions. You may just choose any of the transitions that is suitable for your video and tap on done. You may also apply to all apply a single transition effect to how many clips there are, or you may just choose accordingly with one clips and tap on done. After that, just tap on this blue icon and post it if you want, and that's how basically you create a transition or create a transition on Instagram. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.